We begin in the North Atlantic Ocean. The rescue operation for the missing submersible taking tourists to the wreckage of the Titanic has reported hearing banging sounds. Now, the sounds were detected on Tuesday and Wednesday, but the source has not been confirmed. It's a race against time to find the submersible, as it's believed that the 5 people on board have less than 12 hours of oxygen remaining. The search operation is now covering a surface area twice the size of the U.S. state of Connecticut. But operations are challenging due to the remote search area. The Titanic lies 600 kilometers off the coast of Newfoundland and almost 4 kilometers below the ocean's surface. Now, OceanGate, the firm behind the Titanic trip, was previously warned by a former employee that its experimental vessel could face catastrophic problems.